Good evening. The biggest takeaway I have from this interview is all educators, face-to-face or distant learning, if they truly are in it for the students, they will learn, practice, fail, revisit, and apply a new or emerging technology in a pilot form before unleashing it to students. When educators have the mindset of students' needs being the utmost importance, then the sky is the limit of what students are able to accomplish. Students are our tomorrow. The technology entering the education system will be null and void if there's not an educator present who is willing to go to the top level of Bloom's taxonomy and create an atmosphere where students are doing the higher level tasks, such as evaluating and synthesizing. As I have often mentioned in my many courses, my plans for professional development after graduation vary from pursuing a doctoral program to becoming an educational consultant or a supervising teacher for those students entering the education profession for the first time. So I will be one of the educators who's learning, practicing, failing, revisiting, and applying a new or emerging technology before unleashing it upon students. Matthew 19:14, Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of heaven belongs to such as these." Thank you. Have a great day.